Hey guys, let's see how to share the iPhone internet to an Android. Here I have a Samsung. This is the S8 Plus, but it works with any Android, okay? So I just come here to the settings on the iPhone, and here you see the personal hotspot. It's off right now, so I just need to turn it on. There we go. And that allows others to join. Here's the Wi-Fi password. You just need to create one. I have one here as a temp pass. And you see the information here about the name that you want to use. In this case, I'm choosing iPhone as the name of my phone, right? And I can just select here to maximize compatibility, okay? So super simple. It's on here. And then I just come to my Android device, select here the Wi-Fi, and just look for the name of the signal here, which is iPhone, okay? There we go, it's here. Then I just need to enter the password, which is I have just right here. So temp pass, and just confirm here the password and connect. So now it's connecting, and you see here the indication that's connected. You see this green information here about the connection, okay? So it's working right now. I can just come here and navigate. Let me just come to the main screen here and use the Google Chrome, for example, and visit some web page here, cnn.com. And you see basically working, connecting via iPhone, okay? So super simple. That's the way you can share an iPhone internet with the Android, okay? I hope that this helps. Please leave your thumbs up here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.